Hey, Wilson Taylor here. Today I'm going to be looking at some of the best tips for filming yourself, getting some of those beautiful, crisp, gorgeous B-roll shots. So let's take a look at some different ideas on how to go about doing that. One of the first things that you want to do when you're filming yourself so that you're not confusing everybody is get an establishing shot. That way when ones are looking at the B-roll, they're not confused at what is this story. They're not looking around going, what's going on? Where is he walking to? Where are you trying to take me? What kind of journey are we taking together? Make sure to get multiple angles, get multiple shots. Remember, more than you think you might need. Memory is cheap, cards are cheap. You got a 128 gig card, what is another gig? So go from different angles multiple times, different approaches. And when you're trying to get different angles, think about capturing your feet and try to do that from different sides of view, from the front, from behind, as well as your head. Try to get different angles when you're doing your headshot as well, giving it a different look. And be sure to show emotions. Look like you're having a good time. Not all, but show those happy emotions, not the sad ones. Make it fun. So if you hold the camera and you have it on your tripod, or what I'm using is a handheld gimbal, if you hold it back further away, or if you're kind of zoomed out, you're going to show the arms. But if you're actually holding it closer to yourself, it looks as if someone else is filming you. It gives you more of a cinematic look. So you can always take a static shot and in post, add a little movement to it. And that's a whole nother video that goes into showing how to do that if you do not know how to edit. I hope this helped you guys get a few other different tips, a few different ideas to get that cinematic, those beautiful B-roll shot, guys. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and be sure and hit the bell icon as well as the like button. And we will see you guys in the next one. Have fun. Get out there and create something. Get off the couch. Go make something. See ya. Come on, go. Stop watching. Get out of here. We're done.